Hello student, in this video we will discuss about the Cori cycle or lactic acid cycle. Yes, so in the last video we have discussed about the glycolysis and I have told you in the anaerobic condition pyruvate can convert into the lactate. So here you can see in the muscles contraction when we do exercise, so the pyruvate convert into the lactate, and it is occurred due to the lack of oxygen. Yes, and student, this data is very important. Only 8% pyruvate go into the Krebs cycle, means it get oxidized completely, and rest of the pyruvate convert into the lactate only. Yes, so student, then do you know when we do exercise, so lactate get accumulated inside in our muscles and that cause the cramp. Yes, but mostly what happen in inside in our muscles, yes, and into the and in the with respect to the in the blood and the liver. So lactate diffuse easily into the blood, and through the blood lactate can go inside the liver. Yes, and student, when we do the exercise, so the lactate concentration increases. So what will happen when lactate concentration increases inside the muscles? So we'll discuss here. So student, I have mentioned here this is the part of muscles and this is the blood and this one part is liver. So for example, when we do exercise, so that uh, glucose of the muscles convert into the pyruvate, and that glucose is coming from the glycogen. Muscles glycogen, glucose stored inside the liver and the muscle in the form of the glycogen. So glucose and glycogen both can inter convert to each other whenever our body require. Yes, then student, that muscles glucose convert into the pyruvate through the glycolysis process. We have discussed that, and when the condition of the muscles is there if the oxygen is less or lack of the oxygen, so that pyruvate convert into the lactate. Then this lactate diffuse into the blood. Yes, that is known as blood lactate. Then through the blood that lactate reach into the liver. Yes, so that one is known as liver lactate. Yes, in the presence of the liver, I have told you yesterday in my video that in the liver the lactate can convert into the pyruvate. Yes, for that our body require the oxygen, and that pyruvate can convert into the glucose. Yes, and that glucose, if necessary, if the muscles is required, so that glucose again go to the blood, and through that blood that glucose reach to the muscles. So like this cycle takes place, so that's why it is known as Cori cycle. Yes, and if our muscles does not require, so that glucose can convert into the glycogen and store into the liver. So student, this is the part of the Cori cycle. I think you have understood. Thank you.